Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. Today we are going to solve trigonometry exercise 1. Exercise 8.1, question number 1 goes like this. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A cos C, cos A, sin C, cos C. So the very first thing that you should write is try to draw the picture triangle ABC right angled at B. So if they have not given where it is right angled, the middle one should be right angle. That is, suppose if they are giving triangle ABC, B is 90 degrees. Suppose if they are giving triangle ACB and not given where is the right angle, then you have to consider C is right angle. So angle B is here 90 degrees. Given data I am writing first. AB is equal to 24 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Mark it on the picture, 24 centimeter, 7 centimeter here, and we don't know what is AC. Then next step, you have to write what you need to find out. They have asked for sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Then this is step 1 to draw the picture. Step 2 to write down the given data. Step 3 to find out what they have asked. And step 4, what are the formula that are required? I am writing here sin theta. Generalized formula I am writing. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So now we'll see. For sin A, if you are considering A, then opposite side is 7 centimeter, but we don't know hypotenuse. So next step is you have to find out hypotenuse, as you don't know hypotenuse. So for finding out the hypotenuse, step 5 I am taking, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, Pythagoras theorem. That is, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square, which is nothing but 576 plus 49, which is 625. So AC is equal to square root of 625, which is nothing but 25 centimeter. Mark it on the diagram. Now, sin A, you can easily write it from the picture. This is step 6. You can write it from the picture. Opposite side of angle A is 7. Then hypotenuse is 25. So it is 7 by 25. Next is cos A. Adjacent to A is 24. AB divided by hypotenuse is 25. Then sin C. For angle C, opposite side is 24 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25. That you can write AB by AC, which is nothing but 24 divided by 25. Then cos C, you can write adjacent to angle C is 7 centimeter. That is BC divided by AC, that you can write it as 7 divided by 25. So after finding out the answer, you can put them in the box. So after doing, check out, read the problem once again, whether you have solved everything or not. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.